Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love popcorn. And that's why I am so happy I got this Cookin' Home popcorn popper.
So it has this handle that turns, and when you look inside, you're going to see stirring rods that are turning to allow the popcorn kernels to get evenly oiled, salted, and any other special ingredient you would like to add. I personally like to add cinnamon. It's delicious. Then when you start to hear it pop, you can keep on stirring it. This allows the popped kernels to go up to the top and the unpopped kernels to stay on the bottom closest to the heat. And once it starts getting a little hard to turn, you can flip the lid, pour some out, and you can let the remaining kernels continue popping.
And when you're done, you pour it out and you have home popped popcorn that is evenly oiled, evenly seasoned. It's delicious. Now to clean it, it is very easy. You just squeeze the handle here and it'll pop off. And then squeeze that part, it comes off very easily. And then you can just put it in the sink and wash it. Now, if you are a fellow popcorn lover like myself, but you don't necessarily like microwave popcorn, this is the perfect pot to have in your kitchen. And that's my point of view.